Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn German with me. Lektion ein und für sich. Lesson number 41. 50 verbs for beginners. Heißen, heißen, heißen means to be called. Please repeat every word after me. Sein, sein, sein means to be. Haben, haben, haben means to have. Leben, leben, leben means to live. Brauchen, brauchen, brauchen means to need. Spielen, spielen, spielen means to play. Wohnen, wohnen, wohnen means to live. Kommen, kommen, kommen means to come. Fahren, fahren, fahren means to drive. Fliegen, fliegen, fliegen means to fly. Gehen, gehen, gehen means to go. Machen, machen, machen means to make or do. Tun, tun, tun means to do. Essen, essen, essen means to eat. Trinken, trinken, trinken means to drink. Schlafen, schlafen, schlafen means to sleep. Fernsehen, fernsehen, fernsehen means to watch TV. Baden, baden, baden means to bath. Schreiben, schreiben, schreiben means to write. Lesen, lesen, lesen means to read. Hören, hören, hören means to hear. Sprechen, sprechen, sprechen means to speak. Telefonieren, telefonieren, telefonieren means to telephone. Kochen, kochen, kochen means to cook. Schwimmen, schwimmen, schwimmen means to swim. Lieben, lieben, lieben means to love. Bekommen, bekommen, bekommen means to get or to receive. Kaufen, kaufen, kaufen means to purchase. Singen, singen, singen means to sing. Tanzen, tanzen, tanzen means to dance. Reden, reden, reden means to talk. Reisen, reisen, reisen means to travel. Warten, warten, warten means to wait. Bringen, bringen, bringen means to bring. Geben, geben, geben means to give. Nehmen, nehmen, nehmen means to take. Bezahlen, bezahlen, bezahlen means to pay. Lernen, lernen, lernen means to learn. Arbeiten, arbeiten, arbeiten means to work. Sagen, sagen, sagen means to say. Sehen, sehen, sehen means to see. Wissen, wissen, wissen means to know. Denken, denken, denken means to think. Stehen, stehen, stehen means to stand. Fühlen, fühlen means to feel. Tragen, tragen means to carry. Lachen, lachen means to laugh. Regen, regen means to rain. Kosten, kosten means to cost. Suchen, suchen means to search, to look for. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Choose.